What it do, what it was, what it has been. It's your girl Q, and I'm back again. I'm back again with another freaking hair tutorial. I don't even do hair, so I don't know why my videos about hair, but it doesn't matter. Today, we're going to be doing yarn twists, specifically in this cute little bob cut. Not cut. I get this yarn from Walmart. This time I got the really big bundles, but I usually get the regular size bundles. The link in my description box is the bundles that I actually use, but make sure you get 100% acrylic, and then you cut them to your desired length. I got combs, edge brushes, clips, shining jam, all the shit you need to be successful. Now I'm just showing you, where my hair at per 2 years big chop. My hair should be longer than this, but we don't gotta talk about it. I have 8 strands total, and I split it in half, so I have 4 and 4, and then I cross them like you see here, and that basically it helps me grip it in my hand. So I'm gonna slow it down for y'all. It's 4 and 4. You cross them bitches, and then I don't know, cross them, stretch them out, and now it's locked. So what you do with these 2 locked pieces is you use your hair for the 3rd piece and just braid a regular 3-strand braid. Girl, turn your big ass around and zoom in. Thank you. So I'm just, zooming in so you guys can actually see what it is I'm doing. Like I said, I'm making my hair be the 3rd strand, and I'm just braiding it just like a regular braid. And I will slow down certain parts just so that you can really see in detail what I'm doing if me describing it isn't helpful, because I'm not the best at describing stuff. And I know people visual learners, so visualize what I'm doing. Okay, thank you. So I always start off with a braid just because I don't really know how to do the twist method at the root. And then you'll see me braid it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start twisting. So I'm twisting my natural hair. Damn, this shit blurry. You can't even see what I'm doing, can you? Just use your imagination if you can't tell. But I'm twisting my hair into the yarn like a Senegalese twist, not like a regular twist, just so that it can hold when I tie it and burn it and not unravel and be all dorky and crazy. But I just do that all the way down to my desired length. I made sure to go past where my natural hair was, just so when I cut, I don't end up cutting my actual hair, because then I'll be sick as a bitch. So yeah, I'm just going all the way down to where I want it to stop. You can tell that some of them are a little bit shorter than others. I'm not a hairstylist, okay. But this is me showing you guys how I end every twist. So I take 1 strand out of the 8 and I wrap it around the entire bottom of the hair. So I wrap it around the rest of the strands to kind of end that twist. And then I'm tightening it just so that, it's tight and it's not going anywhere. Then take my handy dandy scissors, cut it, ooh, then burn it. Yeah, burn it, blow it out. And I roll just because I don't like when they're all scraggly at the end. So like I roll it just to make it like kind of a little point. But people rubber band their ends. They cut it and just not burn it and just leave it like that. I like the way it looks burnt, but it's up to you. It's your head. But yeah, this is me just going through the process of how I did it once again. Sped up so you just can see one full twist. How are you guys? Everyone watching this, I hope you are okay. I hope you feel loved. I hope you feel great. I hope you feel that you are enough, because you are. Something told you to click on this video, and I'm glad it did. And I'm glad you are hearing this message, because this message is for you. You're going to do great motherfucking things, no matter who say otherwise. Okay? Don't let nobody tell you, oh my gosh, did I like it? No, don't tell me shit. Blow them away just like how I blew that smoke off my hair. Blow that away. Don't even worry about it. This is the finished look, y'all. And this is just me doing some styles that I've been doing with this hair. I only do 2 styles. It was that one and the one that I'm doing right now. These are the only 2 styles that I do with these, other than wearing them all down. But I was just playing around with my hair, trying to get some inspo. I do have like a patch of brown, but yeah, my mom has to come help and give me some ideas, because what I was doing was looking crazy. And then look what she did, something that looked crazy. Yeah, but anyway, I tried this. I look like fucking Dejanay. I'm over it. But yeah, y'all get the picture. Bye.